Have you ever wondered if everything we see, the stars, galaxies, planets, and even ourselves, might actually exist inside a black hole? What if our universe wasn't born from nothing, but instead from the collapse of another universe's massive star? This idea may sound like pure science fiction, but scientists and physicists have actually explored the possibility that our universe could be the inside of a black hole. If that's true, what does it mean for space, time, and the future of everything? Let's dive into one of the strangest and most fascinating what-if scenarios ever imagined. What if our universe was inside a black hole? Before we can even imagine living inside a black hole, let's understand what a black hole actually is. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. It becomes so dense that not even light can escape its pull. At the center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density, where our known laws of physics break down. Surrounding it is the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. To an outside observer, once something crosses the event horizon, it disappears forever. But from the inside, things might look very different. Instead of a dead end, some theories suggest a black hole could be a gateway to something new, a universe of its own. So how could our universe be inside a black hole? One explanation comes from a simple idea. When a black hole forms, it creates its own enclosed region of space and time. To us on the outside, it looks like matter falling into a dark pit. But to someone on the inside, it could look like an expanding universe. Think about it. Our own universe is expanding. The galaxies are rushing away from each other, space itself is stretching. Doesn't that sound like what it might feel like to be on the inside of a black hole, trapped in a space that's growing larger and larger? Some scientists suggest that what we call the Big Bang might actually have been the formation of a black hole in a parent universe. The Big Bang theory tells us our universe began about 13.8 billion years ago from a singular point of infinite density. Doesn't that sound eerily similar to the singularity inside a black hole? If that's true, then our universe could be the other side of a black hole. The collapse of a massive star in another universe could have created the singularity that became our Big Bang. Instead of an end, black holes might actually be cosmic wombs, giving birth to new universes. That means every black hole we see in our universe might also contain a new universe of its own. If our universe really is inside a black hole, how would it look from our perspective? Surprisingly, it might look exactly the way it does now. Inside, space and time would expand, just like our universe is expanding. The event horizon would act as a cosmic boundary that we could never cross. To us, it would feel infinite, even though from an outside perspective, we'd be trapped inside a finite bubble. Our universe's expansion could be the direct result of being inside this strange cosmic prison. Living inside a black hole would completely change how we think about time and space. For example, black holes warp time. To an outsider, time slows down as you approach the event horizon. But to someone inside, time could flow normally. This means the way we experience the universe, its expansion, the passage of billions of years, could just be the natural unfolding of space-time within a black hole's interior. And here's a mind-bender: if black holes in our universe create new universes, then maybe every universe is part of an infinite chain, each born from the death of a star in another. Some scientists suggest black holes might act like wormholes, gateways to other universes. From the outside, black holes look like regions of destruction. But on the inside, they could connect to entire new realities. That would mean our universe is not alone. Every black hole we see in space might lead to another universe with its own laws of physics, its own galaxies, and maybe even its own forms of life. In this sense, black holes wouldn't just be the most destructive objects in the universe, they would be creators, seeding the multiverse with endless new realities. Now you might be asking, if this is true, where's the evidence? After all, we can't exactly step inside a black hole and report back. But there are some clues. For example, the way our universe expands matches some of the mathematical models of what it would look like inside a black hole. The concept of the cosmological horizon, the farthest distance we can see, looks similar to the event horizon of a black hole. Some physicists even suggest that the laws of physics themselves, the way particles behave, the way forces work, might be influenced by the black hole we're inside of. If our universe is inside a black hole, what happens in the future? Does the black hole eventually collapse, taking our universe with it? Or does our universe expand forever, disconnected from the parent universe that gave birth to it? One idea is that our universe will keep expanding until it reaches a maximum size, then collapse back inward, the cosmic version of falling back into the black hole's singularity. This would mean a cyclic universe, where expansion and collapse happen again and again. Another possibility is that our universe will expand forever, eventually becoming cold, dark, and empty, while the black hole in the parent universe slowly evaporates. If our universe is inside a black hole, then every black hole in our universe could contain its own universe. That means the multiverse might not just be a theory, it could be the natural result of how black holes work. Think about it, when we look at the night sky and see black holes, we might actually be looking at the birthplaces of other universes. Each one could have different laws of physics. In one, gravity might be weaker. In another, stars might burn forever. In yet another, life like ours might not even be possible. This would mean existence is far stranger and bigger than we could ever imagine. Beyond the science, this idea raises deep philosophical questions. If our universe is inside a black hole, what does that say about our place in the cosmos? It could mean that creation and destruction are two sides of the same coin. Every death of a star could be the birth of something new. Our universe may not be unique, it could just be one of countless universes in an endless cosmic cycle. And here's the most humbling thought: if we are inside a black hole, then the ultimate nature of reality may always be hidden from us. The event horizon is our boundary. No matter how far we look, we can never see beyond it. So, what if our universe is inside a black hole? Then everything we know, every planet, every galaxy, every moment of time, is part of a much bigger cosmic story. Our Big Bang might not have been the beginning of everything, but just the continuation of something older, something grander. It means that black holes aren't just cosmic destroyers, they could also be cosmic creators. They may be the wombs of new universes, each one giving birth to infinite possibilities. And as we stare up at the stars, we may actually be looking at gateways to countless other universes, waiting silently beyond the event horizon. Thank you for watching. If this idea blew your mind as much as it did mine, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Multiverse for more incredible journeys into science, imagination, and the mysteries of the cosmos. Question for you: if we are inside a black hole, do you think there are other civilizations inside their own black holes too? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.